Hello there. So you want to know how you can use Telegram channels? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and join any kind of Telegram channel and you can message on it. If you don't know how to go ahead and do so, simply click on the search and now tap on channels. And this is where you can simply search for anything. So for example, if you want to search for YouTube, let's say, and all the related or nearby things are going to go ahead and show to you right over here. So led_YouTube, and then there are other people right over here. As you can see, you can search for something channel. So for example, if I write podcast, as you can see, it will just pop up right there and you can simply join those. And all you need to do is when you join them, you can simply message on these channels. I mean, in this one, you can't particularly do it. Or even if you want to create your own channel, all you need to do is just tap on this and click on new channel. And that is about it. You can create it through there. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and